This 2020 Jayco Eagle HT 29.5 bhds 2BDRM double slide, DBL Bed Bunks is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, slide-out, skylight, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco Eagle HT 29.5 bhds 2BDRM double slide, DBL Bed Bunks is 9,530 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.